Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on the Dart programming language. Let us in this tutorial see how we can declare variables and how do we print those variables. So let's see how to declare and print those variables. So in Dart programming language, if I want to declare a variable, right, I can first start with its data type and then comes the variable name. So this is the standard that you have to follow. The first will come the data type and then the variable name. So if I want to declare a variable int x, so I can declare that variable name, and let's say if I pass that variable name without initializing it to the console, definitely I'm going to get an error. So on the next line, let's initialize it, and now you have your value in the console. So this is the convention that you have to follow. First will come the data type and then the variable name. So let's declare a few more variables. Let's declare a string variable. So let's say string variable is message, and let me pass this message to the print method. So the print method only takes one argument in Dart, but I can pass multiple dynamic variables also to that print method. As you can see over here, that the message is getting printed hello John in my console. Let me declare now an array. So how do we declare an array? So array can be declared using the list keyword, because an array is called list in Dart. And let's say this is a list of countries, so I can have a lot of these countries over here. And semicolon is important for declaring variables in Dart. Now if I pass this to the print method, again it's going to print out the countries array also, right? So let me split this into multiple print methods. So I'm going to call another print method now in the console, and let's run this. Alright, I think my spelling's a little wrong. Okay, I needed to remove the dollar. So the dollar notation only comes as a prefix to the variable if you are printing a expression, and inside that expression if you want to have any kind of a dynamic variable. So we have seen how to declare an int variable in Dart, then we have seen a string variable, then we have seen an array in Dart. Now let's see how we can declare an object. So an object is basically called a map in Dart. So we can have the data type here as string and dynamic. Let's say employee is the object name, and I can have the employee name and employee ID inside this object. Let me give a semicolon, and now I'm going to add some print methods to print this employee inside the print method, and you can see now that the employee object is getting printed in my console. So that's it. This is how you can declare variables and you can print them to the console in the Dart programming language.